Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today's video is very amazing video. We are going to cover the AceSwap airdrop. This is a confirmed and free airdrop because we are going to do it in the testnet of Zeta Chain. This is the first DX on Zeta Chain. They are in the ecosystem page of Zeta Chain, so this is 100% true. And this airdrop is going to take you only 5 minutes. And it's already a confirmed airdrop, so if you do these steps, you are guaranteed to have an airdrop on their launch. So we don't have many possibilities to do this kind of airdrops, so don't take it lightly. It takes only 5 minutes. Go follow these steps and you will get this airdrop. Like always, we cover a little bit about the projects and I show you the step by step on everything that you need to do. AceSwap already launched. It is a very new project on this ecosystem, but the airdrop is confirmed and we are going to check everything about that. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, AceSwap is the first decentralized exchange on Zeta Chain. I covered Zeta Chain, an update on how to deploy a contract a couple of days ago. So I recommend you to first go to this video and do these steps because it's going to help you to have Zeta Chain tokens already to this video. So participate on the Zeta Chain airdrop that still is valid. So you can follow these steps to get that. And then you can do the AceSwap because it's really easy after you do the Zeta Chain airdrop. But if not, let's go directly to AceSwap. So first of all, I want to say that AceSwap is in the official page of Zeta Chain. If you go to the ecosystem page and you search for AceSwap, you can see that it's here and it's live on the testnet. So this guarantees you that this is not going to be a scam. Of course, not 100%, but at least you know that they are in contact with the Zeta Chain Foundation. Twitter, you can see on the pinned comment, this is a confirmed airdrop. They posted this 10 days ago, telling you the eligibility for ACE token airdrop and mainnet launch. So here you have everything that you need to do in order to participate. AceSwap.io is the website. You just go there and click try now to participate. And you only need to do a couple of social stuff to follow them on Twitter, get liquid into the testnet, and you are going to get the NFT that is going to give you the token airdrop in the future. So let's do this super quick. The first step, guys, follow them on Twitter. So here you have the link for AceSwap. It's part of the airdrop, so do step 1. The step 2 is the official tweet of confirmed airdrop on the testnet. I already showed you that, but here you have the link if you want to do your own research. Of course, always you need to do that. Then the step 3, here is the link for questn.com. This is how you are going to participate on the airdrop, and that link is this one. So going step by step on everything that you need to do. First of all, you need to add the network of Zeta Chain Athens 3. So here you have the link for chainlist.org where you can get just with one click the connection to the chain. So here you search for Zeta, check here to include the testnet and add this one, Zeta Chain Athens 3 testnet. So add it to your MetaMask so you can connect there. Now the step 5 is that you need to get Zeta tokens in order to pay the transaction fees here. So go to this link of Zeta Chain. Here is why I say that if you do first the video of Zeta Chain airdrop, deploying the contract, you will already be in a better position for this AceSwap. But if not, just follow these steps. So go to step 5, so you go to the Zeta Chain website. And from here you go to get Zeta. And here you can only get that once per 2 days. But here you will see a button. You need to verify your Twitter account on the page. And you need to connect with a wallet. Remember, you already are connected with Zeta Chain Athens from the previous step. So here you click on this button, the green button that is going to be here, and that is going to give you 3 Zeta Chain tokens that you are going to see on your Athens testnet. So after point 4 and 5, you already have Zeta Chain to pay the transaction fees. Now we go to the AceSwap testnet on step 6. So go to the testnet of AceSwap, or from the website you just can click on try now and connect with the testnet of Zeta Chain. You can see I am connected and I have 5 Zeta Chains. And you can see here my balance. So the first thing that I would recommend you to do now in step 7 is swap Zeta to ACE. So from here, let's put some 0.5 Zeta tokens. It's going to be 41 ACE. So swap this. If you need to approve the transaction, first do it. Approve the token usage. and then you can do a swap, confirm the transaction, and here you have the link to see this on the Explorer, so you can see the transaction there on Zeta Chain, and you can click on add ACE to the MetaMask. So I would recommend you to do that so you can track your tokens here. And you can see the swap was successful. So now I have 42 ACE here. Now the next thing that we need to do is add the liquidity on the Zeta ACE pool. So let's go back here, go to liquidity, click on add, and if you go to pool, you will see that in my case I already did this, so I already have something in the pool, so I can just click add from here. If not, you can add a new position or just go from add, and I will add again, select here the token for AceSwap, and I will add again 41 here, so it's going to put the equivalent on Zeta, approve the ACE, wait to the approve of the token finish, so that is also a transaction. You can see the ACE was approved. Now you can click on add liquidity and you can confirm to add liquidity. I will just change to aggressive so my transactions go first than others. And again, you can click on view on Explorer to see your transaction. Up here you can see that you have the pending transactions to add the liquidity into the pool. And you can see we successfully added into the liquidity pool Zeta and ACE. So we already accomplished that. Now we need to complete some social task, claim an NFT, and that is all what we follow on step 3. So go back here to the step 3, go to the URL of quest N. And now you can see you need at least 0.1 Zeta swap LP balance on Zeta Chain at Athens 3. We just accomplished that, so you click here and you will have this tick that is verified. And now it's super easy. The next thing is follow AceSwap on Twitter, tweet a tweet from there, follow them on Telegram, retweet a tweet from AceSwap, and you are done. After that, you just click here to claim the reward and you will get this NFT. This NFT is going to be the thing that is going to give you the tokens on launch. You can see here all the descriptions for this, and you can see that is confirmed because a thrilling quest awaits NFT holders. Venture into the blockchain realm to unlock NFT treasures and secure the upcoming ACE token airdrop. No complex strategies here, just action and rewards. So super easy, guys. Just get this NFT doing the steps that I show you and you are going to be set. You can see there was 133 NFT claim already. And you can see that the total of these are 1000. So as soon as you see this video, do it. Only takes 5 minutes to do this and you are going to be locking already a reward. I don't know how much value will have this. I don't know how many tokens we are going to receive, but it's really exclusive if only the 1000 NFTs are going to be the reward people. So actually, if Zeta Chain launch really good at the end of the year or Q1 of the next year, and we start to see a bull run, then if ACE is the first DX for Zeta Chain, those tokens could worth a lot, guys. And again, it's free to do, only takes 5 minutes, so all my community should be doing this airdrop. Nobody else is talking about this. And again, you can see only 539 followers for AceSwap, so it's really easy to do. Don't waste any time and do this airdrop. And if you want to make more money in airdrops, you need to follow my subscriptions. I cannot cover all my strategies and everything that my community is doing to get money with airdrops in my YouTube channel. That is why I have subscriptions to a private Discord. We are doing a ton of more things on my Discord than in my YouTube, guys. That is the truth. And also you can check my application. This is an app that is going to help you to apply to this airdrop and all the other airdrops that are active still that you have access only in my application. So go to my app. If you register to that subscription and the Discord, it's really cheap subscription. You can pay annually and you forget for a year. Really cheap, and you can apply to all my airdrops on my app, but you also can add your custom airdrops from another sources, another Twitter account. So you are not only blocked to work on airdrops with me. So my app is transparent to help you on all your airdrop game. That will be all for this video, guys. AceSwap airdrop confirmed, first DX on Zeta Chain. Don't forget to like the button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications so you don't miss any of these amazing airdrops. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.